Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn problem solving of money. The learning standard is solve problems involving money within 1 million in daily situations. To solve the questions of problem solving, we will use Polya model. That is, first, understand and interpret the problem. Second, plan solving strategy. Third step is carry out the strategy. Lastly, check the answers. We will follow the 4 steps here. First, problem solving questions are in form of sentence. That means we should read and understand the problem and write the number sentence and solve the questions. First, understand the problem. Ramesh bought a bicycle as shown in the picture via credit. He has to pay 120 ringgit per month for the bicycle for 24 months. How much is the price of the bicycle? I usually encourage you to underline the keyword in the problem. First, via credit. That means he will pay the money for the bicycle in each month. And then 120 ringgit per month for the bicycle for 24 months. That means each month he will pay 120 ringgit for 24 months. 24 months means he will pay for 2 years. The question is, how much is the price of the bicycle? They asked the price of the bicycle after 2 years once he paid all the money. Monthly payment is 120 ringgit. He should pay for 24 months, and in this situation we should find the price of the bicycle. Second step, plan the strategy. In this step, you should able to write the number sentence involving 4 basic operation, that means addition, subtraction, division or multiplication or mixed operation. 1 month he paid 120 ringgit. 24 months he should pay. Yes, this will be the answer. Here you can write the number sentence. 120 ringgit times 24 months. The third step is solve. We can solve the number sentence as usual. The answer will be 2,880 ringgit. Last step is check. You can use various strategy to check the answer. You may use your calculator or reverse operation, or you can add the monthly payment 24 times to get the answer, but it's quite long. Here teacher use reverse. That means here I use times to get the monthly payment. I divide the answer. Teacher get 120 ringgit. That means my answer is correct. The price of the bicycle is 2,880 ringgit. Second question. Darren's father bought 2 sets of sports attire for Darren and his brother. His father paid 500 ringgit. How much is the balance? The price of one set of sports attire is 238 ringgit 90 cent. First, understand the problem. That means I ask you to underline the informations here or keywords. First, he bought 2 sets of sports attire and his father paid 500 ringgit, and the question is we should find the balance. He paid 500 and calculate the balance. The second step is plan the strategy. One set he paid 238 ringgit 90 cent. For 2 sets he should pay double the price, or you can add the price of one set 2 times. You will get the same answer. We want to find the balance 500 ringgit minus with price of 2 sets. The third step is solve. First, we find the price of 2 sports attire, 477 ringgit and 80 cent minus with 500. The balance will be 22 ringgit and 20 cent. Check the answer. This one is for one set. The second set is this one. And the balance is 22 ringgit 20 cent. If we add all the value, we will get the 500 back. That means this balance is correct. Okay, here I will let you know some keywords here. If the questions ask you balance, difference, you should use the subtraction. The balance is 22 ringgit and 20 cent. The third question. Solve the following problems. The note on the right shows a financial planning of Winnie's mother. A mother wishes to distribute some amount of a retirement money equally to 5 children. The retirement fund is it means the total value 145 358 ringgit and 70 cent. The total amount of money for the children, that means for how many children? 5 children here. 12,000 ringgit. The vacation expenses is 5,750 ringgit. The money for the investment is not shown here. The first question. How much money will each child receive? First, we should underline the keyword or questions here. The 5 children will get 12,000 ringgit. Distribute some amount of a retirement money equally. Here the keyword is equally. If she distribute equally, that means the number sentence is involving division. 12,000 ringgit divided by 5. The answer will be 240 ringgit. each child will receive 240 ringgit. The second question. Calculate the amount of investment made by Winnie's mother. Here, there is no investment. That means we can subtract with the total money with the amount of children and the vacation expenses. Here I use two number sentence, but the answer will be the same. You can try. The total fund minus the total amount of money for 5 children, and then minus with the vacation expenses, and this is the value for the investment. Last question. Izzati's father bought a motorcycle via credit. The price of purchasing via cash and credit is as shown. That means this value is for cash and this one is credit. What is the price of the motorcycle via credit? Via credit means each month Izzati's father should pay 438 ringgit for 72 months. Here they already give the number sentence. Via credit 438 ringgit times 74. The answer will be 31,536. It should pay the money if it take the credit type. The second question. Calculate the difference in price between cash and credit purchase. If the questions ask you difference, that means the operation involving here is subtraction. Which one is the larger value here? Credit or cash? Credit. That means if we take the credit value means we should pay more. So 31,536 ringgit minus with 21,500 ringgit. The difference will be 10,036 ringgit. That's why in last lesson we learned about the credit and the cash value, right? It is better to buy a thing using your cash. So say from now you can buy your admires thing. Thank you.